Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you the way how to turn on or activate the auto brightness on your iPhone to make your battery life longer. So you just need to go open your settings, and after you open it you just need to scrolling down until you find the accessibility right here, and then you just need to go click it. And whenever you are in accessibility, make sure that you are going into the display and text size here, and you just need to scrolling down until you found the last or the list options here, which is the auto brightness. So you just need to click this button to turn it on, and after that you will got the auto brightness. So whenever your phone got too much light, there will be auto reducing the bright on your screen, and the opposite way, as well as whenever the battery is start to get lower, your the brightness of your screen will be got reduced by the system automatically to save your battery life. So that's the way how to do or activate the auto brightness on your phone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.